your hula hoop is above your knee, where the short pants, your knee is touching together, not separate. You want to go to P position. Dancing looks 10 times better when you can do knee hula hoop. Hello everybody! My name is Shiho Sparkle Hooper from Happy Hoopy Life Entertainment. Today I want to show you guys how to do the knee hula hooping. It's a really cool trick, so I want to share some of my tips. Anyway, let's go for Happy Hoopy School! First tips. The cloth is really important when you do the knee hula hooping. Did you notice I changed my clothes from original costume, what I normally wear? Because my original costume is a skirt. It's a kimono skirt, and it's distracting when I do the knee hula hooping. So I changed to the short pants, and then they have nothing around my knee. So it's easier to do the knee hula hooping. But I have a tights, so it's easier if you actually don't wear any tights. Bare skin is easier to do knee hula hooping or any body hula hooping trick. Anyway, so make sure you are wearing short pants, and then if it's possible, no stocking, no socks, so it's easier to do knee hula hooping. Next, so when you start knee hula hooping, a lot of people start here, which is fine, but I want you to practice from waist and dropping to your knee. So you can get used to control the hula hoop. If you start from your knee, I mean, that's okay. It might be easier, but I think it's better to practice from dropping to drop from your waist. So when you do the hula hoop dance, you can get used to control the hula hoop. So once you can drop from waist to the knee, the position you want to stop is above your knee. You have to stop the hula hoop above your knee, not below your knee, not below your knee, above your knee. If your hula hoop go below your knee, you can't control. Hula hoop is gonna go down. But if you stop above your knee, you can control anytime. You can control. So you have to stop the hula hoop above your knee, above your knee. So, position of the hula hoop above your knee. Next tips I want to share is don't separate your knee, because if your knee is separate, you cannot do it. So if your knee is separate, you cannot do it. This is same as any of the hula hoop trick. When you do the hand hula hooping, you have to put both hands together, not separate. Then you cannot do it. You cannot do the trick. So make sure when you do the knee hula hooping, your knee is together. Your knee is touching together. So that's the tips. And then last tips I want to give you is the position of your leg is almost like you want to go to P position. You want to go to P position like this. So I spin my hoop for left side. So on my right leg, and then kick my hula hoop inwards, inwards, inwards. It's like almost you want to go to P position, and then kick in, kick inside. Diagonal, kick inside. So drop from the waist and kick from the inside. Kick, 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 like this. So you want to go to P position, and then wherever the hula hoop spin, you kick in, if your hula hoop goes other direction, oh, I cannot do other direction. You're gonna kick with other leg. So make sure which way your hula hoop spin. My hula hoop spin left. I'm gonna kick with right leg. Kick in, kick in. So that's the tips of the knee hula hooping. So make sure your hula hoop is above your knee, not below. And if it's possible, wear the short pants and without any socks. And tip 3, your knee is together. Your knee is touching together, not separate. And tip 4, you want to go to P position. You want to go to P position and then kick your hula hoop in with one leg. Yeah, that's the tips of knee hula hooping. I hope you get to spin your hula hoop with your knee. And then again, this is a really cool trick. Once you can do knee hula hooping, you can try to dance, you can try to move. And then, yeah, your hula hoop dancing looks 10 times better when you can do knee hula hooping. And it's also really fun trick. So hopefully my video helps you to spin the hula hoop. And if you have any other hula hoop tricks you want to learn, please leave the comment and then Shiho will make another hula hoop tutorial. Otherwise, I will see you guys in next video. Please like the video or subscribe my channel and then I will be very happy. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. またね!